Good morning, YouTube friends and fans. Today we're going to work on assembling that toolbox. And guess where it's from? Let me know. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. I think we got all the tools. The screwdriver there, basically, sockets. So let's get to it. So funny little story the other day. Took the RV out to get the sewer drain for winter, and in the process told the wife, let's stop at Harbor Freight. Had a grinder to replace. I go next door, I come out with a grinder. The big RV, there ain't a whole lot of room to park, so we parked on the side of the building. Well, the guy pushing this out on the cart had to come off the main part, way out and around. And I almost fooled her, except for the fact I had to wait to help the guy put it in the RV. He's like, I thought you was going in after one item. Surprise! Now, you might be wondering what the purpose of this is. The big purpose is, if you haven't seen prior videos, I had a toolbox 44 inches, and so kind of like this table setup, but in my workshop. I'm going to use this as a table, and that's what I use the other one for. That way I can face you, my YouTube family, work on this as a project, better camera angle, just improving your experience. It's all about trying to improve things. Thought I'd try to bring you in here just a little closer now. Okay, the lid's got to be open. It's a good safety feature. It will annoy me, but it's a good safety feature. But I don't have the sprint shocks on it yet, so there's that. I think those are tool racks. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, there's the handle. That's there for now. Nothing. Nothing. And we use that guy to help hold it open. I think that makes the most sense. I'm not sure exactly where it's supposed to mount to. Guess it's a good time for the book. So I think I got to open my box. I believe it has the rest of the hardware and nuts and bolts. I was hoping that this was just threaded. I threaded in, but there's nice big heavy wheels. You can see the size of them compared to, I believe those are like 5-inch, maybe 4.5. All right, so got my 4 nuts. I think I know where this goes. Let's have at it. It is a 1/2-inch socket. A little blooper footage at the end. Gotta use the wrench because it just sits and spins. One shock in. I'll finish the other one off camera and we'll skip down to the next section. Got the other shock on, let's see how she works. So upon reading the instructions, I hope you can see this. This is going to be hard for me to put together for you. One bolt is longer than the other, and there's 2 of them. So, and the 2 long ones go for the handle out of that whole set there on the table. I'm going to take and put them in the top of this black bag, and that way I won't mix them back in. It took a couple minutes to figure out which one was which, because they're not very different. When you're talking 1/8 of an inch, not much. All right, so basically what's next is the wheels and putting up the side supports. So let's see if we can make this all happen nice and easily. Do not see a marking that says front and back, so that's a good sign for me anyhow. We do the wheels first. So after several minutes of trial and error, we're going to work from the bottom up. You can see how we just lean this over. after you get the bottom two in place. And you want to leave all four loose. That way you make sure all your holes are lined up before you tighten anything down. Two wheels down, two wheels to go. Well, it is not stamped, but you can see it, there's like an inch here, and I would say less than a finger width there. Not sure which way this is supposed to go. Look at the picture. Not meant to hang over, so I've got it upside down. The mistakes you can make. We're going to slide this guy up here and open back the top now. Got to clear some tools. I do think this is the best way to do it on top of this workbench. In my great wisdom, I've come up with some thought. I know these brackets need to go in. It might be best if I do them. It does show to do them before I put the box on. I think I can get away with sitting this on the floor. Let's see if we don't break it. Now the handle's on the right side. Hey friends, thanks for watching. Hope you like what we've accomplished. Come back for more things that are a little different than most channels. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. Give me a like if you like what I've accomplished, and slightly entertaining hopefully. Alright, thank you. Final mistake hopefully. I gotta take one screw out there, and not a big deal, but easily could have been a big deal. I think this might be mistake number 4. I don't know, it could be number 3. Handle's on the wrong side. Look at where the wheels are at. Pushes like a shopping cart. That's how life is some days, guys. Ah. Good morning.